In this tutorial, you will be learning how to conduct your keyword research. Earlier, we learned that there are different tools to conduct keyword research, and we went through Google Trends. Like, you can search keywords on Google Trends to look at the popularity. Now we will look into the manual way of how to search. It basically, what it tells you is the what is the competition for a specific number of words or combination of words. For example, if you are selling toys or any product on the internet, and you say like all in title, and you search it on Google search, all in title, and then buy toys online or whatever your search engine optimization keywords are, or whatever you want to optimize for. So it tells you that there are this number of results appearing for this combination of words. But suppose if we convert it into buy baby toys online, now there are very few results. If you say buy toys for kids online and then you search, so it has very less competition. So that's where this all in title is useful. And whenever you are implementing your keyword strategy, you can utilize this all in title. You can conduct a simple search and it will return the total number of results appearing. So less results means less competition, or easy to get ranked and get traffic if you are sure that people are searching for that word and many customers are not using it, or very few competitors are using it. So you can always use this when you are conducting keyword research.